It's an Ayurvedic hair growth treatment that I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months, just to see a difference in my hair growth, because I feel like I've been doing the deep starch protein treatment for such a long time. When your hair start getting used to the same thing, sometimes you just need to switch some things up a little bit for you to see better results. So that's what I wanted to do. I want to try something different, and I tell you that this has been, it became a growth treatment max for me, but this is definitely one of the best treatment I've ever done. I loved it. The feeling of my hair after I was done was amazing. So I'm going to be using and doing some treatments using herbal and 100% organic neem powder. So I actually got this from, I'm not sure if you can see it, but you can type in organic neem powder on Amazon and it should bring out something like this. I kind of chose this. There are other brands, but this stuck out to me, so I chose this one. And I'm also going to be using the hamlet powder as well, organic. It's from Amazon. And this other powder is the Brahmi powder. All this promotes hair growth, so I'm also going to be using that. Not sure if you can see that. Okay. And Chebe powder. I got Chebe powder from Sway Natural. I think it's been discontinued, but yes, I got this from Sway Natural. And then I'm going to be using the Glammednaturally coconut oil, the Glammednaturally braid oil, and the Glammednaturally hair oil as well. So I'm going to just measure this up, but I'm going to be using the coconut oil as my base. And then for those that don't really like coconut oil, if you're not really into it, because some people complain that it actually dries out their hair, you don't have to use coconut oil. It's just my preference using coconut oil. I'm just trying to get everything in there. You can use olive oil or shea butter, another thickening oil, but I just like coconut oil. Coconut oil works fine for my hair, so I'm going to be using that. And if you're allergic to coconut oil, I might make my next video, because I'm going to do this once every month. I'm going to make my next video without the coconut oil, so hopefully that helps. So this is basically 100% organic raw coconut oil from Glammednaturallyoil. You can visit their website. Their website, like it's not my product. You can visit my website at www.glammednaturallyoil.com to purchase yours. And then the hair oil contains about 15 organic oils and essential oils. So I am going to be using, it's not going to be this full actually. I'm not going to measure it. I'm going to just put about 10 to 15 drops of this. So the last one. So I'm going to try to do 15 drops. I'm going to count from 5 because I already have some in there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So actually I'm going to pour more because I need more. I need more of it. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that should do. I don't need that much of it. And then this is the braid oil, the Glammednaturallyoil braid oil. This is the biggest bottle. This normally lasts up to 4 to 6 months. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to open it all the way. Okay, it's up. And then I'm going to pour 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's good enough for me. And it's still quite thick. Alright, which is perfect. Because I'm going to add the powder on and I'm going to mix it together. Alright. So this is what it looks like when the oils are in there. So this is actually a bigger scoop. This is a 1/4 of a cup measurement. I don't need that much honestly for all the powders. So and I don't have a smaller measuring cup, so I'm just gonna do half of it because I don't need that much. So this is the Brahmi powder. I'm gonna be putting the powder first. And I'm just gonna try to get halfway onto my cup. Okay, onto my measuring cup. So this is half of it. Pour it in it. And the Chebe, I'm gonna use a little bit of it, only because Chebe gives my scalp a sensitivity, and I don't want that much of it right now. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Chebe. And then the Alma powder, I'm going to do half of it as well. So you see? And I'm going to do half a cup, a quarter cup of the neem leaves powder, so neem powder. This actually smell, they all have a unique smell to them. Look at me making a mess, but they smell pretty cool, and I just smell the organicness of them, so that's good. Alright, so I'm going to put that as well. So I just added a teaspoon of that, just to try to give it a little of a less thicker consistency. Because I actually want it thick, but I don't want it too thick, if that makes sense. I want it thick enough for me to be able to apply it well on my hair. So this is the consistency I am going for, which is perfect. So I'm going to be doing a video. So today is my wash day. I'm going to wash my hair first and deep condition it before I put this on. So it looks very nice so far. It looks perfect. This is the perfect consistency that I wanted. So you see that? See that? Okay, so this is the consistency. It's thick. It's Jummie, and I normally don't do an after video to explain my treatment, but I really wanted to do an after video to explain how amazing this treatment was. So it's an Ayurvedic hair growth treatment that I'm going to be doing for the next 6 months, just to see a difference in my hair. I feel like I've been doing the deep starch protein treatment for such a long time. When your hair start getting used to the same thing, sometimes you just need to switch some things up a little bit for you to see better results. So that's what I wanted to do. I want to try something different, and I tell you that this has been, it became a growth treatment max for me, but this is definitely one of the best treatment I've ever done. I loved it. The feeling of my hair after I was done was amazing. So I'll tell you what I used. So as you've seen in the video, I used neem powder, I used Brahmi powder, Chebe powder, Alma powder as well, and I mixed everything together in coconut oil. So I didn't melt the coconut oil because I wanted it to be thick. I wanted the consistency to be thick so it can be on my hair as a max. So it ended up, so when I was done applying into my hair, I noticed that it was starting to dry up a little bit. But then when I used the eating cap on my hair, and because I already scalp cleansed, I already shampooed, I didn't have to shampoo again. I didn't want to shampoo all that off. So what I did was co-wash my hair after having the treatment on my hair, because I didn't want everything to go off. So I co-washed it twice because I realized that the Chebe is not as fine as the neem or the Brahmi or the Alma powder. So it did have a little bit of particles in it. So I had to co-wash it 2 times to get everything off. But my hair felt, I don't know if you can see, my hair felt super moisturized after I was done. This is the Glammednaturallyoil, the cocoa and the mango shea butter is actually mixed in here, and the hair oil to twist out my hair. And I've barely, this is day 4 now, and no, day 4, day 5. All I've done is just spray a little bit of water on my hair and shake it together. I have not had to put any other mango butter or oil on my scalp or hair since the 4 days. All I put is water and my hair looks feels super moisturized. I tell you, if you have dry hair, I think this might be, I mean, it really depends on you. I have 4C hair, but if you have really dry 4C hair, I really think this is the best treatment for you. Not only is it going to be promoting growth, it's also helping you retain moisture, because my hair felt so very moisturized, felt softer, you know, it's not dry, it feels healthy, you know. So I'm going to be doing this and carrying you along for the next 6 months, this treatment. It's an amazing treatment that I wished I've been doing from the beginning. I mean, I've known of it, but just never did it. I've used Chebe in the past, but not the Brahmi or the Alma or the neem powder, and they're all organic. I got it on Amazon for literally less than I think altogether I got them for $25. Yeah, and it's definitely, I recommend it any day, anytime. My hair feels alive, it feels different. It's a different feeling from the deep treatment that gives you a sleep and conditioning, but this, it just gives it all of everything at once. So I'm going to be sharing my before and after in 6 months to let you know how longer it grew. So and the ingredients, I also use the Glammednaturallyoil coconut oil and the Glammednaturallyoil hair and braid oil in all the mist to make it a hair growth treatment mask. So yeah, that's basically what I did, and I just had to come and say something because that my hair is thanking me.com. I am going to be using it more and more and more. But yeah, this is basically my hair. Yeah, I pinned it up. So yeah, so let me know if you're gonna try it. Please do not forget to subscribe. As I promise to give you more content, but as I give you this content that is about to be a journey for 6 months, I do recommend for you to please subscribe and share to someone that you feel needs their hair to be flourishing this new year.com. If you want your hair to be flourishing better, if you're tired of dry hair, period, I think this is going to work for you. So let me know if you're going to try it as well. Like I said, I got all of this apart from the Glammednaturallyoil. Well, the Glammednaturallyoil and braid is on Amazon Prime, so you can purchase it there as well. The coconut oil is not on Amazon Prime, but you can get any other organic coconut oil that you trust. But if not, you can go on our website and purchase your coconut oil there as well. But yeah, that's all I used in this video, and I just wanted to say something. If you've never tried this, at least give it a try and see if it's for you. But my hair feels a lot better using this treatment. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share to anyone you feel like might need this video. But yeah, thank you. Bye.